Yeah, man, 787, boy, we back at you, man. We out here today because we about to install these emblems, my trunk emblems. Like on this side, you know, it's supposed to be Chevrolet. And on this side, it's supposed to be Caprice Classic. I ordered some more. Got them off eBay. They installed with 3M tape. It's on the back of it. So you just peel the little plastic off. Try to center it the best way you can, and attach it, man. So we'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Y'all watch me install it, and I'll be back.
My seven, I'm riding in my seven. I got the free gas. My seven, I'm dipping in my seven.
And we're back, y'all. Straight like that. See how fast your boy move? Move fast to get it done, man. Y'all see Chevrolet Caprice emblem back on, man, looking proper. That make that back end look that much better. Yes, sir. You know what it is make behind, man. Yep, like now, I'm gonna apply some tape, you know, the blue painter's tape. I'm gonna look for that. I think I got something around here. Apply that just to hold it in place. Even though it's not hot out here, I think it'll be cool. I'm gonna put something on there. Alright.
Don't stop, I be dancing in my seven, but my nigga on pop.
And we back, man. We got the blue, this some old masking tape. It ain't gonna hurt the paint. Just so it'll sit in place. We back in action, man. On to the next. We're gonna do next video. We're doing the rear door weather stripping. Rear door weather stripping. So keep it locked. Stay tuned, man. Subscribe, like, share this video, man. Turn that notification bell on. Chevy gang, man.
It be leaking. See, I be driving slow up in my Chevy, I be creeping. My girl don't like my Chevy, cause she say it got me cheating. When I pull up on some